Hello everyone, this is Joy Almost Kitchen. I just want to show you how to make easy popcorn when your son or your daughter are doing birthday, anyone in your house are doing party. There's no need for you to go and buy already made popcorn, so you can make it by yourself. So look at the corn I'm using here. This is the corn I'm using. I have sugar here. This is the corn. So I'm going to put color. This, I have the red color and the blue. I have the blue color here. These are the color that I use. It's food coloring. This one. And this one. So I have groundnut oil as well. Groundnut oil. And I'm going to mix this together. And this one as well. So we need to add sugar as well. I'm adding sugar. The sugar depends on how you want it. Yeah, I've mixed them, so I'm going to put it in microwave. So I will show you the end. I'm going to put it inside microwave now. I've made my popcorn for like 4 minutes. This is how my popcorn look like, guys. It looks so yummy. So it's not every time you go out there to buy. You can just do it yourself. I just bought this. It's not even up to £1. I think I bought it about 75p. You can see this at any supermarket. Look at my popcorn. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Thank you all for watching. Thumbs up for me. If you've not yet subscribed, subscribe and leave a comment behind. Thank you. Bye.